Because I did come out with a product. I'm not going to make this whole class about the product, but I did come out with a product, and it's called the Minnesota Wild Rice Griddle Cakes, and it's high in iron, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. So it's made with an all-American ancient grain, which is wild rice from Minnesota. So in here, in this box, we're going to make a nice dish with this. We're going to make a salmon dish. In here, which I can show you, is actually 2 packages. One is the wild rice, which is high in the iron, protein, fiber, and antioxidants, and one is like a pancake batter. So you just add yourself an egg and a little milk, you make your pancake batter, you boil this for 3 to 4 minutes because it's instant, and then you have yourself these beautiful griddle cakes. And from that, you can accompany it with chicken, steak, pork, poultry, so on and so forth. You can add things to the mix. We suggest adding a little ginger and scallion, so you can, make it a little bit more foodie, so to speak. Add some with a piece of salmon, stuff like that. And then, if you want to get really creative, we've come up with many different things you can do. Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and honey for a nice brunch item. You can do just your traditional waffle, so just a plain griddle cake with a little syrup and butter in the morning. You got a really healthy waffle. Poached egg, a little spinach, and a little tomato on top. That's an eggs Florentine. If you like, something hearty in the morning. Excellent holiday stuffing. We're going to come back out here to Stoppers and Shady Maple during the holidays to show people how to make the stuffing with this for your Thanksgiving turkey, so on and so forth. And you can get creative with muffins. Because it makes a batter, you can just add things to it. So apples and cranberry. We've done these with bacon and cheddar cheese, and make nice little muffins. You can be your own little chef, let your own inner chef run wild and get creative. There was a gentleman that came up to me a couple of weeks ago when I was out here. He said he bought the box, he saw the ginger scallion version. His wife added a tablespoon of curry, and he made curry ginger scallion pancakes, and he cooked it with salmon. That was awesome. So you can get creative on your own too. So that's my product. That's what I'm doing out here. But besides that, we have a whole class ready to go. It has nothing to do with these, but I just wanted to give you guys the deal on that. So thank you for listening.